yeah, human nature. That's what it is. We will be satisfied. We will be satisfied. Yeah. Human nature. That's what it is. We will be satisfied. We will be satisfied. Yeah. How happy can you be in a day? Just take a moment, imagine, 'cause you have the chance to choose your whole life. Would you choose to be happy all day long? All day long, happy all day long. But what kind of life would it be? Yeah. It should be so strange when you can't feel the pain anymore. Human nature. That's what it is. We will be satisfied. We'll be satisfied. Human nature. That's what it is. We'll be satisfied. We'll be satisfied. Just be thankful. Be thankful. Be thankful. Like I said, be thankful. Be thankful and say thank you. And say thank you. Be thankful. Be thankful. Be thankful. Like I said, be thankful. Be thankful and say thank you. Life is short, full of surprise. You wanna stay alive, so just live your life. You wanna make it right, just follow your heart. Just follow your heart. Life is short, full of surprise. You wanna stay alive, so just live your life. You wanna make it right, just follow your heart. Just follow your heart. That's how I make it, how you should make it. You wanna be happy, and why would you not? If you want, you can remember. If you want, you can remember. If it comes from your heart, I swear that you can. Human nature. That's what it is. We will be satisfied. We'll be satisfied. Human nature. That's what it is. We'll be satisfied. We'll be satisfied. Just be thankful. Be thankful. Be thankful. Like I said, be thankful. Be thankful and say thank you. And say thank you. Be thankful. Be thankful. Be thankful. Like I said, be thankful. Be thankful and say thank you. I am thankful. I am thankful. I am thankful. I am thankful. Human nature. That's what it is. We will be satisfied. We will be satisfied.